Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to take control of your money, save more, and build a secure future, you're in the right place. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or someone just looking to get better with money, this video is packed with practical tips and tools you can start using today. All right, let's start with this question. What is personal finance? Personal finance is all about how you manage your money, how you earn it, spend it, save it, invest it, and protect it. Think of it as the roadmap for your financial journey. The better you understand personal finance, the more confident and prepared you'll be to make smart decisions at every stage of life. Okay. Why should you care about personal finance? Well, money impacts almost every part of our lives, from paying bills and buying groceries to planning vacations and saving for retirement. Your financial choices shape your future. Learning personal finance basics helps you avoid debt traps and financial stress, build savings for emergencies and big goals, invest for long-term wealth, achieve financial independence. All right. Let's go step by step and learn how personal finance works. The first step in personal finance is budgeting. A budget is simply a plan for your money. It tells you where your money should go instead of wondering where it went. How to create a simple budget. 1. List your income. Add up all the money you receive each month. Salary, side hustles, allowances. 2. Track your expenses. Write down everything you spend, from rent and bills to coffee and movies. 3. Categorize spending. Group your expenses into essentials, like rent and groceries, and non-essentials, like eating out. 4. Set limits. Decide how much you'll spend in each category. 5. Review regularly. Adjust your budget as your income or expenses change. Let me give you a pro tip. Use a money management app or a spending tracker to make this process easier. Apps like Mint, YNAB, and Pocket Guard can help you stay on track. Once you have a budget, the next step is saving money. Saving is not just about putting aside what's left at the end of the month, but it's about making it a priority. Why save? Well, for an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. An emergency fund covers unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. Short-term goals. Want a new phone or planning a vacation? Saving helps you get there without debt. Long-term goals. Think buying a house, starting a business, or retiring comfortably. How much should you save? A good rule of thumb is to save at least 20% of your income if you can. Start small if you need to. What matters is building the habit. Step 3 is managing debt, smart borrowing. It means debt isn't always bad, but unmanaged debt can quickly become a burden. Understanding how to handle debt is a key part of personal finance. Types of debt. Good debt. Student loans or mortgages can help you invest in your future. Bad debt. High-interest credit card debt can drain your finances. Tips for managing debt? Pay on time. Avoid late fees and damage to your credit score. Pay more than the minimum. This reduces your interest and helps you get out of debt faster. Consider consolidation. If you have multiple debts, consolidating them can lower your interest rate and simplify payments. Step 4, building credit. Your financial reputation means. Your credit score is like a financial report card. It affects your ability to borrow money, rent an apartment, or even get a job. How to build good credit. Pay bills on time. This is the single most important factor. Keep credit card balances low. Don't max out your cards. Avoid unnecessary loans. Only borrow what you need. Step 5, investing. Grow your wealth. It means once you're budgeting, saving, and managing debt, it's time to make your money work for you through investing. Why invest? To beat inflation. Money in a savings account loses value over time due to inflation. Build wealth. Investing in stocks, bonds, or real estate can help your money grow faster than traditional savings. How to start investing? Start small. Many platforms let you begin with as little as $10. Diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different assets. Think long-term. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Step 6, protecting your finances with insurance and planning. Financial security isn't just about growing your money, it's also about protecting it. Types of protection. Insurance, health, life, and property insurance protect you from big financial losses. Estate planning means wills and trusts ensure your assets go where you want if something happens to you. Step 7, financial planning. Set clear goals and track progress. Financial planning is about setting clear goals and making a plan to reach them. This could be buying a home, starting a business, or retiring early. How to set financial goals. Be specific. Save $10,000 for a down payment in 2 years is better than save more money. Make it measurable. Track your progress monthly. Stay flexible. Life changes. Adjust your goals as needed. Here are some best budgeting apps and personal finance trackers to help you on your journey. Mint, YNAB, You Need a Budget, Pocket Guard, and Personal Capital. Mastering personal finance basics isn't about being perfect. It's about making small, smart choices every day. Start with a budget, build your savings, manage your debt, and invest for the future. Remember, your financial future is in your hands. All right, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on money management, budgeting, and investing for beginners. Thanks for watching, and remember, your financial future is in your hands.